Thanks for joining us again at Camera West TV. Today we're going to take a look at the number 3 folding pocket Kodak Deluxe, which Kodak manufactured between 1901 and 1903, making this particular camera perhaps 120 years old. Kodak finished the pocket folding Deluxe with Persian Morocco leather in this beautiful tan color, and it had bronze-colored silk bellows as well as a solid silver Kodak nameplate. Kodak wrote of its design in an advertisement, "Its richness of design and finish immediately distinguish it as in every way a superior instrument." All of the metal you see on this camera is either nickel or brass. This camera's price in 1901 was $75, a significant premium over the standard camera's price of $57. $75 in today's money would have been over $2,300, so this was definitely a luxury item. You simply depress those two tabs on the top and bottom, and we can see the big film gate here. Kodak's internal code for the model was the ABEX. Releasing the spool here, we can see that this camera originally took number 118 roll film, a long dead format that gave you 12 exposures of 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 on a roll. As you can see, it's quite a bit larger than modern 120 film, but one fun thing about older folding cameras like these is that you can use simple spacer adapters to run modern 120 through them. In 1902, the cost of a roll of 118 from Kodak was 70 cents, which in today's money would be around $30. Beautiful brass shutter housing. It's a self-cocking shutter with an instant speed of 1/150th. And a beautiful little waist-level viewfinder called a brilliant finder in its day. Even 120 years later, the silk has a beautiful luminance, manages to catch the light from all angles. Here we can see the interior of the bellows, and it's quite simple to replace the back plate. You can see the little ruby window that would have been used to count your frame advancement. Pressing the two tabs on either side of the nameplate allows you to recess the lens panel back into the body. And pushing down these two struts allows you to close the front cover door. It's been a real pleasure to handle such a rare and interesting camera, especially one in such excellent original condition after 120 years. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll have more quality content for you soon. Thanks.